Students, now let us dig into the detail of private warehouses. Private warehouses को public warehouses से compare तो आप ऐसा नहीं कर सकते because they provide you more flexibility and more control. So let us see them in terms of like advantages and disadvantages which a public warehouse can provide. So what would be the advantages? It actually reduces the purchasing and transportation cost. आपकी cost जो है, that is जो transportation cost का part बनती है अगर आप warehouses में temporary store कर रहे हैं, उसको reduce करता है. Offer greater control of service. What kind of service or what kind of specialized functions you need to perform in that warehouse, उसको उसके अंदर there is more control. You can perform it as per your requirement, and not only that control, you can actually have the flexibility to actually modify such specialized functions. अगर आप expertise मज़ीद ले आते हैं तो you can do that. Provide better workforce utilization. आपकी workforce utilization भी better होगी. Why? Owned, company owned warehouses हैं. Obviously आप उसकी workforce को भी optimized रखेंगे, according to the requirement रखेंगे. Take advantage of cheaper sources of supply or labor. आप labor को जब optimize करने की बात की गई तो optimization means you would actually try to minimize the total labor cost. आप total labor cost को minimize करने की कोशिश करेंगे. Can generate income and tax advantage through leasing of excess capacity and or asset depreciation. आपको एक advantage मिल सकता है, tax advantage मिल सकता है. वो lease कर दें अगर आपके पास, if your warehouse has some like excess capacity that can be utilized or that can be outsourced, and that can give you the tax leverage as well. आपकी tax में एक part आपको from the outsourced party मिल सकता है. Now, what would be the disadvantage? The disadvantages would be the financial risk and loss of flexibility. It might be possible कि आपने उसको जिन functions के लिए, जिन specialized functions के लिए ready किया है, हो सकता है उसमें modification would be after some time आपको करनी पड़ जाए. तो वो आपके पास एक financial risk तो है ही कि you have owned a warehouse, but afterwards it might be possible that you need some more expertise to actually go for some specialized function. So that risk is also there. That would be regarding the flexibility. Bind firm to locations that may not prove optimal. Warehouse अब आपने जो अपना setup किया वो possible है that is not at the optimal location for that organization or enterprise. उस enterprise के लिए हो सकता है वो best location ना हो, but that was the available location जिस पर उसने अपना warehouse बनाया है. So it might be possible that location is not the optimal one. Insurance companies do not like insuring goods in private warehouses. Now this is one of the norms. Okay, insurance companies private warehouses में insure नहीं करती goods को, या they are less interested in insuring it. Why? Because the organization or enterprise would have an interest, like if damage occurs, the insurance company will actually provide it. So they have like stringent, insurance companies have like very stringent and strict rules in insuring the products or goods in the private warehouses, because क्योंकि वहाँ पे conflict of interest हो सकता है. जिस company का वो warehouse है, they can claim the damages by themselves, और उसके अंदर हो सकता है वो intentionally या carelessly भी उस item को handle करें. तो बड़े stringent और strict laws जो हैं वो रूल्स हैं जिसको इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज फॉलो करती हैं ताकि प्राइवेट वेयर हाउसेस की गुड्स को इंश्योर करने से पहले they will keep it in, they will actually check everything, every aspect of that warehouse. Thank you.